Law it's not just a profession, it's a responsibility towards society, justice and the truth. And every great legal journey begins with the right education and right environment. I, Bhanu Prakash Kumar, a student of BLLB, welcome you all to the Bhagwan Mahavir Law College and Research Center. Come with me as I take you on a quick tour of our campus. This is the main entrance where daily students come with new goals, new cases to study, new lectures to attend, and make their future bright. Come.
Hello everyone, I am Kushleen Kaur, a student of LLB first semester here at Bhagwan Mahavir Law College and Research Center. As we enter a corridor, the corridor is a main pathway that connects different parts of the campus. From here, you can reach the classroom, the library, administrative office and other important facilities. And this is our reception, the first stop for visitors and new students. Whether it's admissions, enquiry or general assistance, everything begins here. If we are inside, let us continue the tour and see more of what college has to offer. Let me take you to the heart of every law student academic journey, the library.
Hello everyone, I am Apurva Sharma, a BLLB student here. Our college library is a quiet and focused space where students read, research and prepare for exams, moot courts and case studies. In fact, we offer thousands of books and journals giving students access to strong and diverse legal knowledge base. The library has a peaceful environment which provides students a suitable environment to study and learn things. Whether it's preparing for classes or researching cases, this is where serious learning begins. From books and research, let's move to a place where law comes in practice.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Chaudhary, a LLB student here. Welcome to our moot court where we experience a real courtroom environment as a law students. This moot court gives students a glimpse of a real courtroom proceedings where we conduct mock trials, argument, moot court competition which develops students' advocacy and presentation skills. This setup is designed like just an actual courtroom with judges' bench, counsel table and sitting for the participants. It helps students build confidence, improve legal reasoning and understand how a real court proceeding works. For a law student, this is where theory turns into a practical experience. Let's continue our tour and explore more facilities our college offers. This is our administration area. If any student has query regarding admission, documentation, fee details or any other official matter, this is the place to come. The administrative staff is here to guide and assist the students. And now let's hear a few words from our respected principal about the college and his vision.
Welcome to our law college, where knowledge, justice and integrity is the form of foundation of education. ये एक समर्पित संस्थान है जहां हम देखते हैं कि हम बच्चों को, हमारे विद्यार्थियों को तैयार करते हैं भविष्य के लिए, एक अच्छा माहौल प्रोवाइड करते हैं और यहाँ का जो माहौल है हम हार्डशिप, लीडरशिप के द्वारा हम बच्चों को बेहतर भविष्य के लिए हमारा समर्पित संस्थान है. वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टीज, प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग, मूट कोर्ट, फर्निश लाइब्रेरी, स्मार्ट क्लासरूम्स जहां स्टूडेंट्स बैठकर अपने बेहतर भविष्य को अग्रसर होते हैं. यहाँ विद्यार्थियों को पूरा समय मिलता है कि अपना समय लाइब्रेरी में वो स्पेंड कर सके और बेहतर भविष्य को अग्रसर हो सके. बियॉन्ड एकेडमिक वी फोकस ऑन डिसिप्लिन, लीडरशिप एंड हार्ड वर्किंग. और इन सब को पूरा करने के लिए हमारे कॉलेज में एक एंटी रैगिंग विंग भी काम करती है जहाँ बच्चों को ऐसा माहौल दिया जाता है कि बच्चे अपनी तैयारी को, अपने भविष्य को लेकर बिल्कुल तैयारी के साथ आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. I invite you to join our institution where we prepare judges, advocates and professionals. जहां आप अपने सपनों को उड़ान दे सकें, अपने सपनों को साकार कर सकें. धन्यवाद.
Hello everyone, I am Ekta, a BLLB student here. So far you see some key areas on the ground floor. Now let's head to the upper floor. The upper floor of our college are dedicated to classroom and academic space, providing a learning and comfortable environment for students. This is the main corridor on the upper floor. From here you can access from different classroom and discussion take place. Now let's move to the classroom. These are our air conditioned smart classroom designed to make more learning and interactive for students. These classrooms are equipped with modern technical tools that help the professor explain the legal concept through presentation. So you have seen the facilities of our college, but the real strength of an institution, it's its student and teachers.
Hello everyone, myself Mishika Bhargav, I am Assistant Professor of Law at Bhagwan Mahavir Law College. I have subject expertise in constitutional and criminal laws. So here at this college, we encourage students to participate in moot courts, seminar and other research activities so that they can build confidence and professional excellence. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Mishra. I am Professor of Economics at Bhagwan Mahavir Law College, and here at Bhagwan Mahavir Law College, our aim is not just to prepare students for the theoretical aspect but also the practical aspects of legal field. Here we focus more on the real world legal challenges. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Harshita Shekhawat, a BA LLB student here. So let me take you inside our computer lab. In today's legal world, technology plays a very important role, from research to documentation. In our lab, we have multiple computer systems and high-speed internet access, which allows students to work efficiently.
Hello everyone, I am Garvit Sharma, BLLB first semester student here. After academics, every student needs a place to relax, recharge and spend time with friends. So let me show you our canteen and playground area. This is our college canteen where students gather during breaks.
We love spending time here after classes. It's a great place to hang out with friends.
Right next to the canteen is our playground area where students enjoy outdoor activities and games.
The canteen food is good and affordable, and the playground gives us a chance to stay active.
As you can see, our college offers not just quality education but also a lively and enjoyable environment.
So this was a quick tour of our college, Bhagwan Mahavir Law College and Research Center. From modern classrooms to well-equipped library, from moot courts to real-life practical learning to well facilities, we provide everything that gives a student personal growth as well as academic growth. If you are looking for quality legal education, practical aspect and the real exposure of college, Bhagwan Mahavir Law College and Research Center welcome you to our.
At Bhagwan Mahavir Law College, we shape future advocates of justice. Choose excellence. Build your future with BMLC.